Hey, are your taskbar icons playing hide and seek on your Windows 11 PC? No sweat, folks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to tackle this problem. So let's dive straight into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Repair Windows system files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit Enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and press the Enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press Enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that did the trick. Solution 2. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer Process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, check if that solved the issue. Solution 3. Add icons to the taskbar. For this, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings from the pop-up menu. Next, click on Other System Tray icons to expand it. Now just toggle on the icon that you want to see in your taskbar, and it should show up on the taskbar. So that's it, folks. That's how you troubleshoot taskbar icons missing on your Windows 11 devices. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll reply to you real soon. Thanks for watching.